Okay, so guys, this is how to fix WhatSaga needs storage permission to, work properly. So first of all, this is it. So let's go to our Google Play Store. So after downloading the WhatSaga and you tap on open, it's going to tell you that allow access to WhatSaga need storage permission to work properly. So which means you have to allow access to the storage for it to use your storage. You have to allow you have to permit it to use your storage. So to do this, what you have to do is to tap on the allow, then you tap on allowed, and after that, what you have to do is to check whether it have been allowed or not. So what you have to do is to first go to your phone settings, tap on the settings button, tap on apps and notification, then after that you wait as it's loading. And this is a new way or a different way to also allow it without tapping on allow, you get me? So tap on see your apps. After that, wait for it to load. So after loading, what you have to do is to search for WhatSaga app. So we want it quick, so let's tap on the search button for it to search it. So WhatSaga, then tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on permissions. As you can see, it has been allowed. So this is it. So let's allow the microphone also. After doing this, you have to remove all this over here. So what you have to do next is to tap on it. So tap on WhatsApp for business. So after that, you have to check their privacy policy, then you tap on OK, and boom, this has been fixed. So this is how to fix allows storage permission for WhatSaga app. See my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friend on other social media platforms. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.